Hello, my name is Karishma Chaudhary. I am working with Podar International School. Recently, since last 2 days, we are attending one workshop called as Manomitra, organized by Brainberg, and it's a very insightful, very knowledgeable workshop. I'll say that for teachers, because we are the first responders to students. They helped us in identifying all those small stressors, different types of behavior which students nowadays are showing so much that it's need to be taken care of. And they have also given so many practical ways of dealing with these kind of stressors for students and even for teachers. And one very interesting thing which they have given is the mental health first aid box. I'm very happy to see that how they have organized everything in that single box, which can help a student to calm down, to think and to reflect upon. It's a very useful thing, and we are going to use it. It's a very insightful workshop, and we are going to definitely use all the strategies given by them. Thank you, Brainberg and Manomitra.